Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another vlog. Today we will be hiking one of the most beautiful state parks of Pennsylvania. It's called Ricketts Glen. So without further delay, let's get started. Ricketts Glen is one of the most scenic area of Pennsylvania. The total hike of the trail is around like 4 to 5 to 6 hours, depends how fast and how slow you hike. The trail consists of 22 waterfalls and the largest one is 94-foot Ganoga Falls. So without delaying more, let's keep going. So this is the map of Ricketts Glen. This is the point where we are right now. This is where we will be starting from our trail, and we'll go all the way up over here, going central spot. This is where we will fly some drone, and then we'll take this route. This is the hardest route, but if you go this way, this is the easy one. But the harder it is, the better it is, because that's more exercise. So we'll go all the way up, and then from here we'll come over here, back, and then back over here, coming back, and that's where we'll end our trail. Guess what I saw over here? For all the Pakistani, Indians and Middle Easterns who come over here for a hike, no chappal guys, no chappal. The start of the trail is pretty easy. It's like normal walking, feels like you're just walking in a park, in a hilly area in the middle of nowhere. This will go for almost an hour, and after the first easy hour, it'll start getting harder and harder. You'll see. It'll get tough. More signs, trail is this way, so you guys don't detrack, just in case if you're tired and you want to have rest. For all those lazy people, they have some lazy benches. After hiking for a while and sweating a lot and burning a lot of calories, here we are at our first waterfall. The water is super cold, but very good. The splash of fresh water and that fresh water breeze felt so good, and I'm all fresh as new. So let's continue to the waterfall number 2, which technically is right in front of me. I'll show you. Here you go. Another waterfall, and the air around over here is so fresh, so nice. Look. The third waterfall. So we are finally here at the first checkpoint, and now we have to go all the way up and then circle it back and come back over here. This is the difficult route and this is the easiest route. It depends what you want to pick. So we choose to pick the difficult one. took the difficult route is because you can see the water coming from up above. So you can see all the waterfalls. And the difficult route is a beautiful route, the most scenic route. Just like this waterfall right in front of me. Look at this. People ask me how do I stay fit. Whew. So these kind of fun, stupid activities I do on my weekends. They burn a lot of calories and help me keep in shape while I eat all the burgers and the pizzas. Look at that. Waterfall after waterfall. This place is filled with waterfalls. Amazing. Nice views. You can see one behind me. And it's not just this one. There's water coming up from on that side too. Somewhere over here. Just taking a short break. Whew. Hiking this much after a very long time. It's catching up. But I'll have to complete this trail. It's not even half yet. Wish me luck, guys. Track is getting harder and harder, but I think we are close to our the biggest waterfall of this area, the Gonga Falls. I can see it from far away, so let's go and enjoy that waterfall. We are finally here, and this is the largest waterfall of the trail, the Gunoga Waterfalls. If you like the video so far, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be taking my time and enjoying the fresh air over here for a while. The trail is not done yet. I still have to complete the whole trail. But the video is getting long, so I'll be ending it over here, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.